All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up WooCommerce conversion tracking in Google Analytics and WordPress. If you'd like even more details, be sure to check out this post on our complete guide to WooCommerce conversion tracking. I'll leave a link in the description. By tracking the key metrics on your site, you can make changes to grow your business. Monster Insights is the easiest way to add Google Analytics e-commerce tracking to WooCommerce. It handles everything for you, including installing your tracking code. Plus, you'll get easy conversion event tracking for form submissions, video clicks, affiliate link clicks, and more. You can even track customer behavior with our user journey add-on. All right, let's dive in. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Monster Insights Pro. So to get started, we'll just head over to the Monster Insights pricing page and select Monster Insights Pro. Now, once you're all signed up, just go to your account area and then head over to the Download tab and download the zip file of the plugin to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress site, and then on the admin sidebar, click Plugins, and then select Add New. Then click the Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Now you can either click Choose File, or you can just drag and drop the zip file here, and then click Install Now. Well, once that's done, just activate the Monster Insights plugin. All right, now you'll need to connect Google Analytics to your site. Now don't worry, just follow the steps in the setup wizard. The plugin's going to automatically add Google Analytics to your site without you having to edit any code. If you need more details, check out the link in the description to our guide on adding Google Analytics to WordPress. Next, you'll need to install the Monster Insights e-commerce add-on. Super easy to do that. Just go to Insights and then click Add-ons. Now scroll down to e-commerce and click the Install button. And that's it. You're now tracking purchase events and a whole lot more. Now, if you're running ad campaigns with Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, or Meta, you'll also want to install the PPC Ads tracking add-on. And then navigate to Insights again, and then to Settings, and then to Conversions. And to turn your ads tracking on, just fill in your conversion tracking information. Now, if you'd like step-by-step instructions on how to connect your PPC ads to your e-commerce website, then check out this post on how to set up e-commerce Google Ads conversion tracking. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, to get an overview of your WooCommerce conversion tracking data in WordPress, all you have to do is just go to Insights, and then to Reports, and then to E-commerce. Now you're going to see an overview of your e-commerce stored data. You can click up here at the top right of the screen to change your date range, and the information on the screen will automatically update. So you'll see a graph of your sessions and your page views. Now just scroll down the page a little, and you're going to see your conversion rate percentage, the number of transactions, your total revenue, and your average order value. Now further down, you're going to see data about your top products, then information about your top conversion sources, and at the bottom of the page, you're going to see the total add to cart, total remove from cart, the percentage of new customers, and finally, you're going to see the percentage of abandoned checkouts. If you want to see even more details, click the View Full Report button beneath your products report, and you'll be taken to your Google Analytics 4 property. Now, here you'll see your revenue trend by day, purchases by item name, purchase by item list, and more. To see a more in-depth look at item purchases, you'll need to navigate to Monetization and then E-commerce Purchases. If you'd like to see your e-commerce sales and revenue data organized by channel, navigate to Acquisition and then to Traffic Acquisition, and then scroll down to the table to find conversions and total revenue. And under the Conversion column, click the All Events drop-down arrow and then select Purchase. Now you can see the total purchases and revenue by traffic channel. And that's it. You've successfully enabled WooCommerce conversion tracking by turning on e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics.
See your Google Analytics data in WordPress with Monster Insights. Get 50% off right now and subscribe for more helpful content like this.